Wait! Di pa ba tapos ang dynasty ng Creamline? Magre-retire na ba si Alyssa Valdez? Ano itang umuugong na usap-usapan sa social media na marami na daw magre-retire sa Creamline? Sandali, huminto muna kayo sa panic scrolling dahil may sagot na ang queen ng Cool Smashers at mas maanhang pa sa open spike ang mensari niya. Usap-usapan ngayon sa buong volleyball community ang biglang pagputol ng podium streak ng Creamline sa 2025 PVL Reinforced Conference. Matapos talunin ng Petrogas sa quarterfinals, maraming fans ang final na ba to para sa ilang legends ng Cool Smashers, lalo na kay Alyssa Valdez. Pero sandali lang, bago pa tuluyang lumipad ang mga chismis, nagsalita na mismo ang face ng franchise. Sa kanyang social media post, malinaw ang mensahe. Grateful for the journey, the love, and the team. We'll bounce back stronger than ever. Boom! Isang straight hit, isang dagger ng pag-asa para sa Creamline fans. Ibig sabihin ba, walang retirement announcement, walang goodbye speech, walang last dance? May bounce back tour pa. Pero, saan ba nagsimula ang lahat ng haka-haka? Sa isang post-game interview ni Creamline import Courtney Xuan, habang emotionally drained ang buong team pagkatapos ng loss, nasabi niya na parang may ilang manlalaro na posibleng umalis o mag-retire. Sabi niya, "We got some girls that are leaving Creamline or retiring. They were speaking in Tagalog a lot." Ayun na, sumabog ang social media. Timeline dito, group chats doon, Twitter dito, Facebook doon. Sino? Si Valdez ba? Si De Jesus ba? Si Galanza ba? Last conference na ba to? Pero ang totoo, walang pangalan na binanggit. Emotion-filled moment lang yun sa locker room pagkatapos ng isang masakit na pagkatalo. Alam natin, sa sports, pag mainit ang sugat, doon lumalabas ang tunay na emosyon. At makikita rin sa buong interview ni Xuan na mahal niya ang experience niya sa Creamline at sa Pilipinas. The way you guys admire volleyball is unreal. Happy. That's how I describe Creamline. Championship culture. Masaya. Palaban. Isang organisasyong na hindi sumusuko sa isang talo. At kung pakikinggan mo ang huli niyang sinabi, this is just the start of our next story. Hindi endgame. Bagong chapter, bagong season, bagong laban. Kaya ang tanong ngayon, hindi na magre-retire ba si Alyssa Valdez? Ang tanong na ngayon, kaya bang pumalag ulit ng Creamline sa sunod na conference? Remember, this is the same team na naka 19 straight podium finishes. This is the same team na punong-puno ng championship DNA. This is the same Alyssa Valdez na ilang beses nang napatunayang clutch sa biggest moments. At kung alam tayo sa mga tunay na champion, mas delikado silang kalaban pag galing sa pagkatalo. Mas gutom, mas galit, mas determinado. Kaya sa mga Creamline fans dyan, hindi pa tapos ang kwento. Hindi pa tapos ang reign at lalong hindi pa tapos si Alyssa Valdez. Kung ito man ang kanilang down year, ay ba, abang-abang sa comeback year. Kasi kapag sinabi ng isang champion na will bounce back stronger than ever, hindi yan empty words. Warning shot yan sa buong liga. Kaya kung ikaw ay Team Creamline pa rin hanggang dulo, i-comment mo, #BounceBackSmashers. Kung sa tingin mong babalik sa finals ang Creamline sa next conference, i-like mo to. At kung gusto mo ng mas maraming volleyball updates at chika, subscribe na ka Just Volley. This is your courtside update. Game, set, chika.
It started pretty high, and then for me, it was a really big bummer when Lindsay went down. I'm really happy that she was able to come back on the floor. But I think that their team kind of rallied around that, and we didn't take advantage when we had a couple points up in that set. And then obviously a tough ending, and we were all sad in the locker room. We got some girls that are leaving Creamline or retiring. I didn't know all of it because they were speaking in Tagalog a lot, so I don't know what was happening exactly, but just a pretty sad atmosphere afterwards.
Just with Lindsay, very quick, because obviously you're teammates in the US. What did you feel at that point, early in the game when she went down?
Oh, I was really bummed, and the girls were like, "Come on, Coco," and I was. They were like, "Oh, but you like know her, so like it's okay." So, yeah.
So now overall, sum up this entire experience with Creamline. It ends in the quarterfinals, but I guess what a journey it has still been for you.
I said it earlier, but I will remain with the word unreal. Like the way you guys admire and support volleyball is something that I wish that the rest of the world did, and you guys are phenomenal here, and I'm very grateful to have experienced it.
Can we expect you back?
I hope so. I will go with any team that'll take me. I hope to be back on Creamline, obviously, just because now I feel like they're home. But I hope to be back in the Philippines.
There's just one more thing. Describe Creamline for everyone else. From experiencing it firsthand, what's the team like?
They joke about this, but like happy is a real word to use to describe them. So happy.
Just talk about, I guess just playing that championship culture great life. How was that experience, being in a champion league?
It was great. They train just like you would expect a championship team to train, and they take every game like it's the most important game, and that's what's important. And so, no, it was wonderful.
And I guess this what's next for you, your career.
Next for me, I'm playing in the Club World Championships in Brazil on December, I think it's like the 9th through the 14th, I think. So next I'm going to Brazil.
Overall, there's one thing you've learned in your experience in the PVL with the Creamline policy.
To keep fighting and get back up when you've been hit. So like even after the match, like that's what they were talking about in the locker room, right? They were just like, this is just the start of our next story, right? So yeah.
Ang chief ng mga Manila na nagtungo rito pang masilayan ang bawat miyembro ng komunidad. This time, nais kong ipakilala ang bawat
Lai, good morning! Okay, ito po. Wow! Mix and match. Ay!
Okay lang po kayo?
Yes po.
Walk, ma'am, sir.
Kailangan po namin ng towel sa room 5.
Sige po.
Thank you po.
You're welcome po, ma'am.
Today we are trying, what's this?
Kuchenta!
Kuchenta. Okay.
It's good. I like it.
Aliyah, yes?
Good. I like the sauce too. And the coconut.
Yay!
Hindi ka pa nakakaupo. Pandesal ka. Ohayo.
Saan ka? Nasaan ka na?
Nasa Japan ako. Charot. Hello. Miss na kita.
Men usually after training during college.
Oh, pero naglalamang sila, naligo sila. Usually hindi kami naligo.
Oo, usually walang ligo to. Pero may mga pupuntahan kasi. So anyway, we're gonna eat breakfast.
Tapos sasabihin nila sa akin, wag na ako maligo bago mag-class.
Whoa.